Understanding climate change, the science, impact, and solutions. Climate change, a topic that's become a central concern in today's world. But what exactly is it, and why does it matter? Join us as we delve into the science behind climate change, explore its impact on our planet, and discuss the solutions we can implement to combat it. The science of climate change. Climate change refers to significant long-term changes in the global climate. While climate has naturally fluctuated throughout Earth's history, the current trend is alarming because it's largely driven by human activities. The primary culprit is the increase in greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide, methane, and nitrous oxide in the atmosphere. These gases trap heat, creating a greenhouse effect that leads to global warming. Since the Industrial Revolution, the concentration of these gases has risen sharply due to burning fossil fuels, deforestation, and industrial processes. This has resulted in a steady increase in global temperatures. Climate models predict that if current trends continue, global temperatures could rise by another 1.5 to 2 degrees Celsius by the end of the century, leading to even more severe consequences. The impact of climate change. The impacts of climate change are already being felt around the world, affecting ecosystems, weather patterns, and human societies. Extreme weather events are becoming more frequent and severe. Hurricanes, wildfires, heat waves, and floods are causing unprecedented damage, displacing communities and costing billions in damages. Marine ecosystems are also suffering. Ocean temperatures are rising, leading to coral bleaching and the disruption of marine food chains. Ocean acidification, a result of increased CO2 levels, is threatening marine life and biodiversity. On land, prolonged droughts and shifting weather patterns are affecting agriculture, leading to food insecurity and water shortages. Farmers are struggling to adapt to changing conditions, and some regions are facing the prospect of becoming uninhabitable. Arctic ice is melting at an alarming rate, threatening polar wildlife and contributing to rising sea levels. If the current rate of melting continues, we could see ice-free summers in the Arctic within the next few decades. Socioeconomic consequences. The human cost of climate change is immense. As natural disasters become more common, the number of climate refugees is increasing. Millions of people are being displaced from their homes, leading to humanitarian crisis and increased pressure on resources. Public health is also at risk. Rising temperatures can exacerbate health issues, increase the spread of diseases, and strain healthcare systems. Vulnerable populations, including the elderly and children, are particularly at risk. Economically, the impact is significant. The cost of dealing with climate-related damages is rising, and sectors like agriculture, tourism, and insurance are facing unprecedented challenges. Addressing climate change requires substantial investment, but the cost of inaction is far greater. Solutions and actions. While the challenges are daunting, there are solutions. Transitioning to renewable energy sources like wind, solar, and hydropower is crucial. These technologies reduce greenhouse gas emissions and can provide sustainable energy for the future. Improving energy efficiency in buildings, transportation, and industry can also make a significant impact. Innovations in technology and design are helping to reduce energy consumption and emissions. Reforestation and afforestation are vital in absorbing CO2 from the atmosphere. Protecting and restoring forests, wetlands, and other natural carbon sinks can help mitigate climate change. Sustainable agriculture practices, such as regenerative farming and reducing food waste, can also play a role. These practices improve soil health, increase biodiversity, and reduce greenhouse gas emissions. On a global scale, international cooperation is essential. Agreements like the Paris Agreement aim to unite countries in the fight against climate change, setting targets for reducing emissions and adapting to its impacts. Grassroots movements and individual actions are equally important. From reducing plastic use to advocating for policy changes, every action counts. By raising awareness and demanding action, we can drive the change needed to protect our planet. Thank you for joining us on this journey to understand climate change. Remember, the power to shape the future lies in our hands. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more insights into the world's most critical issues.